This poultry farm has been established for 12 years in Vietnam. Here is a very affordable and practical automatic feeding system. Feed 8,000 to 15,000 chickens once automatically. One worker manages it. Our engineer shot this video in 2016. Our chicken cages have been in use for 12 years as well. Here are 4 rows of cages. Total, 13,200 chickens. The house size is 51 meters by 15 meters. A closed house with our ventilation fans too. The egg production is 96% with quality feed and vitamin water formula. Our fully automatic A-type and H-type chicken cages are very popular. A house contains 1,000 to 50,000 chickens. Customers often visit our factory to discuss their poultry plans. Our headquartered in Hong Kong with factories in China, Nigeria, Tanzania, Ethiopia. WhatsApp to us now for quotation of chicken cage and your poultry farm plan.